Learn how to make this eggless buns. I didn't add any single egg and it's very delicious. Watch this video to the end and remember to share. Enjoy watching. 5 cups all-purpose flour, salt ½ teaspoon, sugar ½ cup, mixed spices. You can use nutmeg if that is what you have. This is ½ teaspoon and it's not full. You can see that it's not full. This is Lebanese. It's not up to ½ teaspoon, but you can replace it with nutmeg. Baking powder 1 tablespoon. Don't be in a hurry watching this video. Just try to make sure you watch it to the end, and I'll be cutting the buns for you to see the inside. Enjoy watching. Butter, I'm going to melt it a little in the microwave. Please tell us in the comment section where you are watching from. We would like to know. You have to mix it very well because of the dried ingredients you added, Make it whole. This is the butter. If you don't have butter and you want to know how to make buns without butter, comment, let me know. Just comment, let me know, so that I'll make a video for you. I brought this milk out from the freezer. Because of that, I'm going to warm this 1 cup. I'm going to warm it in the microwave. Just warm, not boil. Just to remove that coldness. So this is the 1 cup of milk. It's not hot. We don't need hot milk. So this is the 1 cup I warm in the microwave. Then this is the 2nd cup. So we are going to be working with 2 cups of milk. Make sure the butter is not hot and make sure it's not cold. So make sure you mix it very well. What we are mixing now, we are mixing the butter. You can use your hands. I think it's more better. You can use your hands so that everything will be well combined. I brought the milk out from the fridge, so it was cold. That was why I warmed it a little. The milk was not hot, not at all. So we are using 2 cups of milk. If you have not liked this video, remember to like this video, okay? Share with your friends and family. If you want to be doing buns business, yes, if you want to be making buns for sale, or maybe you want to be supplying school, you can learn from this very video. It's very easy and you will not spend too much of money. You can also watch other videos on my channel. Yeah, I have other videos there. And if you have not subscribed, you can subscribe, okay? Subscribe to my channel and remember to turn on the bell notification. Please watch this video to the end. I hope you are enjoying watching the video. If you have any question, leave your question at the comment section. I will reply you. And make sure you don't over mix the batter. Just do it gradually. You can see the way I'm doing it now. I'm not rushing. That's how you should do it, so that you get a perfect batter and a perfect buns. I will leave it to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. You can cover it with anything available for you. This is what I am going to use. Look at it. It's time to fry it. I just washed my hand so that it will not be sticky. Make sure the heat is not high and make sure it's not too low. You see that? It's already looking beautiful. You can see the buns is already looking beautiful. It's almost ready. You have to allow it to be golden brown so that it will be ready on the inside, and make sure you control the heat. Make sure it's not too high and also make sure it's not too low. You can see my buns is very beautiful and it was also very yummy. So after frying this very first one, I fried the last part of camera. I hope you have liked my video. Please share this video so that others can also benefit from it. Look at my buns. The buns is ready. So beautiful. Look at it. Well cooked. Please share. Bye. Thanks for watching.